Hi, welcome to today's video. Hope you're having a great day. Sorry, the video is a little bit delayed in uploading this week. Still recovering from septo surgery to stop me snoring, so the recovery was a little bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be. So today's video was actually filmed a couple of weeks ago before my surgery, and I've had to cut it into two parts, mainly because whilst I was recording we had some people pop over unexpectedly, so I had to stop filming. I haven't had a chance to get back under the stairs and finish it. I have done some DIYs that are going to go in the under the stairs area, which I will show you in this video. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I know it's not the easiest to see in here, but this is what I'm working with today. It's our under the stairs storage area that we sort of cut through. As you can see, these are the old shelves. So I'm going to give it a tidy up today. I've put clean up. So yeah, there's lots of things, baby toys. Got a 12 and a 13-year-old, don't need baby toys. And it goes. There they go. But my light for my camera died, so I'm just going to work with me. So, and then it goes all the way under there. And so over the back there somewhere, I've got some candle glass stored for when I make candles. So I thought I would take you along this cleaning journey with me to my little Harry Potter style under the stairs room. So come along with me and we'll get decluttering. I have a little helper today. So my first thing I'm going to do is clear everything out. So started doing that. It's not a very big space. I'll show you how little space we're working with. So, oh, sorry, I make you dizzy. I'm 5 foot nothing. And yeah, I don't have much room in here. So, it's only little. But it's what we're working with today. So, we're going to give it a go. So, sorry, you're at an angle. I'll catch up with you soon. We'll see how my little helper, can you see him hiding in there? That's Chase. He's probably going to be in every video because he's never really far away from me. You see him in there. He's so cute. Alright, back to the organising. Okay, so I wasn't originally going to film this one, but I thought, well, it's going into the under the stairs makeover, so I thought I'd show you. Just really simple. I've got where I work, we go through plenty of A4 paper, so I've got one of the boxes, saved it from going into the garbage, and I'm just using some sisal and I'm just wrapping it around just to make it a little bit prettier. And I'm going to use this to store my like projects in. So I'll put all the materials for projects that I'm planning on working on in this and store them in under the stairs. So I'll keep wrapping and I'll come back to you when it's all wrapped and ready to go.
second thoughts, I'm not going to do it this way because it's going to dry hard. So I'm going to get an even funner thing to use. My son, who you can't see, who's off frame, is probably going to freak out when I do this. So we'll just burn off the little bits. He's not freaking out, he's surprised. We just won't go where we use the PVA glue already. Just to get off some of the big ones. I mean, you don't have to do this, but just makes it look that little bit prettier. There we go. There's still a lot to go, but okay, so that's the bottom done. So for the lid, let's put this down. For the lid, I'm thinking I might just paint it white. So I have a little helper here who has volunteered to help me paint, but I don't think he wants his head shown today. So my son Cohen you'll see his hands. He's very handy. And he wanted to paint, so we just decided we're going to paint. Oh. Just give it a nice light coating and let it dry. Do it in straight lines.
We might need quite a bit of coats.
Yes, I think we'll need a few coats. We'll do a coat and let it dry.
I reckon we do 3 or 4 and then we move to each side.
Well, it's going to take a while, so...
I mean, you know, to make it look good, you gotta put in the effort. Oh my god.
Do you know what? That was nearly the carpet in the house, and good thing the
nice.
husband's not home.
That wouldn't have been nice.
Because I don't have my rug down. We don't paint inside. Go one direction.
Yeah, but this makes it faster and also doesn't really matter.
It does, because you drip and paint everywhere.
Reuse it.
Now, twist. Oh, and if you want to know what paint we're using, we're just using the Anco brand from Kmart. I think it's like $2.50 a tube. So the first coat on the boxes is done. But we had a bit of change of heart. We're thinking we might change the lids to a pale mint green. So I'll show you that in part 2. So I hope you enjoyed part 1 of the under the stairs storage area. If you did, give us a thumbs up and show us how much you liked it. And if you want to join in to see part 2, hit the subscribe button and scroll up and hit the little bell notification so you get notified when I post the next video. And if you want to get some little behind the scenes sneak peeks, you can follow me over on my Instagram page, which is Alicia_Jane. And it'd be great to have you as part of our YouTube and Instagram family. So yeah, hope to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye. I'm trying to find a spot for you to be so that you're not just getting my butt.